The Clinical Apprenticeship program allows students to immerse themselves in real-world medical environments. Students can assist medical professionals, gain first-hand experience in clinical tasks, and obtain insights on promising career pathways in health and medicine. This program is designed to expose students to real-life practice in the medical field, helping them clarify their interest and university major.
So before the program, I expected that I would learn a lot about the medicine field, and by the end of the program, I felt like I could decide whether or not I wanted to pursue medicine as my university major. Okay, so the program is very insightful and exciting. I was able to overshadow different doctors from different fields, such as obstetrics, psychiatry, surgery, and even dentistry, and I find that very exciting.
I think the best activity has got to be shadowing the surgeon, because not only I get to know what it's like the feel of being in an operation room, but I get to understand how the doctor handle patients and also do the surgery. The surgery that I participated in is circumcision minor surgery, and what's fun about it is that I get to participate in the entire process, such as handling giving the surgeon the instruments, sterilizing the instruments, and also cutting the strings of the sutures. So it's fun that I get to participate and engage in the minor surgery. I think the program so far is very fun. It's very insightful and educational, especially for me. Although I had some backgrounds in biology and medicine, but then I get to learn more about the medical field and also learn more medical terms, and it allows me to learn stuff beyond the school syllabus. So I think it's very good.
The best activity I like the most is this activity. We're basically overshadowing and doing a basic surgery procedure to kids, and I'm learning what I should do and what I shouldn't do, and I feel like it's really fun because I get a lot of insight of the doctor's perspective.
I think this program is able to make me realize that there's still a large gap in the healthcare access in Indonesia, and that we can be the people to help fill in that gap and maintain a lower inequality in Indonesia for the healthcare access.
So I'm interested in neuroscience, and by joining this program, I wanted to see if I really wanted to become a doctor or if another major would be better for me. So I learned a lot about different doctors from different fields, and it kind of solidified my interest in those fields, and I got to learn a lot more about their personal lives and what they do on a daily basis. So this program has definitely been really helpful.